application, Robert MacLean, DBA Compliments Food Company, Robert MacLean manager, has applied for a vendor peddler license to operate a mobile food truck at 323436 Cambridge Park Drive from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. every Wednesday.
Good evening. If you could please state your name for the record, spelling your first name and last name, please.
Robert MacLean, R-O-B-E-R-T. MacLean is M-A-C-L-E-A-N.
And you are the manager of Compliments Food Company?
Yes.
And you're looking to operate a mobile food truck, also a Vecna, Wednesdays 11 to 2?
Yes.
Is this your first truck?
Yes.
How long have you been operating?
June of 2012.
Where are you currently operating?
Currently operating Tuesdays in Copley Squares, Wednesday at Vecna, Thursday in an office park in Framingham. We're all licensed in those cities.
Are you operating the truck on your own?
With employees.
Is it a new truck?
New as of 2012. Newly retrofitted then. It's a 1999.
Inspections in order?
No. I have no inspections in the file, and I don't have a copy of the truck registration.
I brought the registration with me.
Okay.
You should have everything in file. It's passed through Kristen from Health and the Fire.
Oh, it might have appeared since I looked at it. I have a blank sign-off page.
Is that your original registration?
This is my original,
Okay,
yes.
so we
Yeah,
can make a
I
copy of that.
Yeah.
I don't have any of the sign-offs.
All right.
Were they submitted to
They were submitted Yep.
inspectional services?
earlier in the year in about February. It wasn't for Vecna, it was for a one-time permit over at HubSpot in Leechmere.
But that wouldn't come to us, so we need it with this application.
Okay. Okay, they said it would pass on through to this one, but...
So is that.
Yeah, but I need a copy of it.
Okay, I'll make sure I can get you a copy, for sure. And here's my registration.
But that's your original?
That's my original.
Yeah, I need a copy.
Okay.
I'll make a copy of
Okay,
this.
thanks.
So you said you had the inspection and you can submit a copy of that?
Yes.
No questions.
So,
Are there any members of the public that wish to be heard in this matter? Seeing none, I'll make a motion that we approve the vendor peddler license to operate a mobile food truck at 323436 Cambridge Park Drive every Wednesday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for Robert MacLean doing business as Compliments Food Company, contingent upon receipt of the inspection, signed inspection, and making a copy of his registration. Is there a second?
Second.
All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
You're all set.
Thank you.
If you can just hold on to afterwards, and I can take that.
Absolutely.